Now, after yesterday, playing around with triangles and changing their sizes and figuring out if you can create triangles using the side links, I'm going to explain the rule that goes along with them. So you're going to have two IXLs today for an assignment. The first one is going to ask you if you can have a triangle with the given side lengths. And instead of going back to that calculator and messing around with it and trying to make these triangles, there's a quicker way to figure it out. So if you pair two of the side lengths together and you add them together, you have to have a number that's greater than the third side. So for instance, if I did 4 plus 7, that is 11. 11, so since I used 4 and 7, 11 has to be greater than 10. And that is true. That works. That's good. And then if I pair 4 with 10, 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. And 14 is greater, I used 4 and 10, so 7 is my third side. 14 is greater than 7, so that's good. And then I have to do 7 and 10. So 7 plus 10 equals 17, and 17 has to be greater than the other side. And since I used 7 and 10, 4 is my other side. And 17 is greater than 4. So all three of those worked out to be greater than the other side. So yes, you can have a triangle with these side lengths. So that's all you have to do with that. For the second IXL, it's going to be practicing with graphing vertices. So this one says graph the triangle with the given vertices. The first one is 1, 10. So remember, you're going to crawl and then climb. So you're going to crawl to 1 and you're going to climb to 10. So that dot would go there. And then you have 1, 6. So you're going to crawl 1 and climb 6. So the dot would go there. And then you have 0, 4. So you're going to crawl 0. So you're not going to move left or right. And then you're going to climb up 4. And then you have your triangle there. That's terrible drawing. But when you click the spots on the IXL, it actually draws the triangle for you. You don't have to worry about your lines and making a triangle that looks that bad like mine.